Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and a demo on a new launch from T3, and it's the AireLuxe. And what's really exciting is this is actually their newest blow dryer, and it has some really great technology behind it and lots of features and benefits. And the thing about it is, for the past few years my favorite blow dryer to use is from T3, and this is the Cura, and this has been a complete game changer. It has a lot of great benefits with this as well, but when I found out that the AireLuxe basically had some upgrades, I was interested to see how it's going to work out for me. And the thing about it is, before I used to actually air dry my hair, and I do not like the feeling of having wet hair on my back for a long period of time, so that just didn't really work out that great for me. And when I go to bed and wake up in the morning, either my hair would be a little bit squished, it would still be damp, it wouldn't dry properly, and that just was not a great method. So I just love blow drying my hair because I get better consistency. Then after, when I'm done drying my hair, I'm able to stretch it at night and then further stretch it the next day. So overall, blow drying my hair just works a lot better, especially when my hair is curly. So yeah, if you want to learn more about this blow dryer and get to see the different attachments that you can use and just overall see how it works out, then just keep on watching. T3 AireLuxe is a blow dryer that offers faster drying and less damage, and included inside of the box are cards with more info and 2 attachments, which is the drying concentrator and the styling concentrator. And some great features included in the AireLuxe is the T3 Rapid Air IQ technology, 5 heat settings, 3 speed settings, and a volume boost switch. And this dryer has a great design. It's lightweight and it's on the quiet side. And a wonderful benefit is that it has a high volume airstream with a 128% wider air output to cover and dry more surface area in less time. And it also helps to eliminate frizz and protect hair's natural moisture. And overall, the design is very nice. It's user friendly, comfortable, and makes for a pleasant drying and styling experience. When blow drying my hair, I like to use it on the first speed setting and the first heat setting, and then sometimes towards the end I like to use a cool shot setting. And I figured out a wonderful method to dry my hair, and what I like to do is rest the blow dryer behind me, and you can do this on the bed or on the couch, and you just want to place this on a pillow or on a towel, and then you can angle it upwards to get the top of your hair, and then downwards to get the back, and left and right to get the sides. And what I absolutely love about this is that it's hands-free, so I don't have to get an extra arm workout. And overall, my hair does take a little while to dry, so I can utilize my time better by sitting down relaxed and getting to do something else. So when one side is done, then I'll turn to the next side, and then I'll continue doing what I'm doing. And then the only area that I have to blow dry afterwards is the top area, and then I'm done. To stretch my hair, I leave it in a bun overnight, and then the next day I stretch it further. And I have a ton of shrinkage, so if you do as well, then here's a way to have more volume and length. So I'll be using the first speed setting and the second heat setting in a concentrator nozzle, and then stretching a section of hair, I blow dry it downwards, and I focus on the roots and the middle of my hair, and I do this a few times, and it makes a huge difference. To refresh my hair, I like to use a little gel and hairspray on the frizzy areas, and then I like to blow dry my hair so that it doesn't shrink up too much. And when I use the blow dryer, I use it on the cool setting, and I like to hold my ends so that they don't blow around too much. And overall, this just helps so that I can have my style extended for a few more days. Another attachment that can be used with the AireLuxe is the Soft Touch 3, and it's designed to volumize, define curls, waves, and coils while eliminating frizz and flyaways. And then next, using the Detangle Duo, I'm going to comb and style my nephew's hair. And I also put in some leave-in conditioner, and I sprayed it with some water, and I'm just scrunching it all in. And then next, I'm diffusing his hair on the lowest settings, and this did a great job for him. And diffusing his hair is necessary so that his hair doesn't blow around too much and lose its shape. And for his results, he's left with defined and frizz-free curls. To prep my hair, I just sprayed it with some heat protectant, and then I'm detangling it with my wide tooth comb. And I'll be using the AireLuxe on the first and the second heat settings. So with the T3 smoothing comb, it glides through curls, drying hair fast while stretching and detangling it. And this is designed for curly and coily hair types, and its vented teeth direct airflow at the strands while evenly distributing the heat to lengthen and smooth hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you want any more information about the T3 AireLuxe, then just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.